This portion of Living in the Heart of Virginia is sponsored by Nature's Outlet.
Today we're discussing digestive health issues, and we're talking about a product today that is 4 times better than its competition. And I'm here with Charlie Ray here in Forest at Nature's Outlet. And Amplified Probiotics has a special place in your heart, right? Because you helped create this.
This is our baby. No, actually, well, we did help create it, but what we did was we got out of the way of some really smart people and let them do their thing. So this is kind of a story. Probiotics is one of my favorite categories. A lot of people are familiar with probiotics now and are using them, and that's a great thing. Probiotics are basically the good bacteria help us digest our food better, but they're finding that there's all kinds of other things going on with probiotics. The type of probiotics in our gut can determine what type of neurochemistry we have.
Wow.
How our personality is. I mean, really wide-ranging stuff. Our immune system, what our level of allergies are, how our digestion works.
Wow.
Well, they found, we used to think there's this nerve, and we used to think that all of the nerve traffic was going from the brain to the gut.
Huh.
It's actually, most of the signaling is going the opposite direction.
Fascinating.
So it's a hugely important thing, and it's where all the research is happening. So we like to keep up with what's going on in the industry and be ahead of the game. And so that led us to go to Kennesaw, Georgia to talk to the foremost probiotic experts in the world. And they're sitting in there and we're like, we want to make a new cool formula because we learned about all this, all this new information. And they're asking us, what do you want to put? You can do this, you can do that, you can do that. And it occurred to me, we've got all these PhD experts sitting asking us what to put in a product. And we were like, wait a minute. Why don't you tell us what to put in a product? And you know what's crazy? They said nobody's ever asked us that before.
Wow.
Because what happens is these companies, they're coming in and they're like, we're looking at marketing data and we think this is popular, and they're looking at what their competitors doing and we think that's popular. And it had nothing, it had less to do with what is the best thing possible and more about market trends.
Right.
Well, we weren't interested in that. We wanted what's the best thing our customers could use. And we didn't know if it was going to be affordable or not. We had no idea. This was an experiment. Well, these guys got excited because they got the green light to do their thing. Well, they came up with some amazing stuff. They basically came back with a formula that's unbelievable. They gave us strains that had been clinically researched, that there was actual science on the strains of good bacteria that they're putting in the product, and they were doing it at the dose that the studies were done. So they weren't just window dressing their labels. They were like, this is what was researched to show, good benefits for people. They also came up with this brand new prebiotic.
Oh.
Now, prebiotics are really important. They're like fertilizer that make the good bacteria grow in your belly. And they're probably just as important as the probiotics themselves. But the problem is the old school way to do it is you got to eat a lot of fiber. And what happens when people that haven't been eating fiber start eating fiber?
Right. Gassy. Yeah.
Yes. Gas bombs, right. And people don't do it. They'll quit before they do it long enough to get where they need to go. So they came up with this super cool ingredient. Instead of loading people up with fiber, stirring up these fiber drinks and all that, they've got an ingredient, and what it does is it kills the E. coli, the bad bacteria in the gut. As this E. coli dies, the good bacteria comes in and says, party time, takes over the space, gobbles up the E. coli, and now you've got more good bacteria living in the gut.
And speaking of bacteria overall, we tend to not have that great bacteria anymore because of what we eat and what we drink, right?
Right, well, you've got chlorine, that kills, we drink water that has chlorine in it. We've got all kinds of processed foods. We're not eating the same diet. We're not eating fermented foods like our ancestors did. Fermentation, that's basically foods that have, if you eat real sauerkraut and all these types of foods, you're getting the good bacteria. And that's why people are eating yogurt and these kind of things. Problem is these yogurts don't have enough.
Yeah.
And most yogurts in the grocery store are loaded with sugar. Go ahead and get a Snickers because you're just not, and that sugar's feeding the bad bacteria as much as it is the good bacteria. So it's a good intention, not good execution. So.
And this product is refrigerated, and that's a good thing, right? Because
you don't want to buy a probiotic that's not refrigerated, because those guys down there, they said the dirty little secret that the probiotic manufacturers don't want you to know is that if you're buying one that's not refrigerated, you're buying stuff that's dying or dead.
Oh, wow.
Because these guys are living creatures. When they're refrigerated, their metabolism slows down and they basically go to sleep. And then when you take them, they wake up. But if you buy one that's not refrigerated, they get really active and then they run out of food and they die. So that's the problem with buying them off of the shelf.
So really, this is 4 times more potent. It'll run you about the same as other big name products, and it's going to do better for your gut overall.
Well, and I'll tell you, we've sold thousands and thousands of bottles out of our store, and it's based on the fact that it works. The repeat sales on this is unlike any other probiotic. And people, because of the way it's formulated, instead of waiting a couple of weeks for good results, people notice it in days.
Wonderful.
Sometimes hours.
That's amazing. And if you'd like to check out Amplified Probiotic yourself, go to a Nature's Outlet near you. There's Forest, Roanoke, Martinsville, and Salem stores, 434-215-3102. Also online at naturesoutlet.net.